claw. The claw's gonna get you. The claw's gonna get you.
That's what cats do. They scratch and then they lick it up.
Why are you breathing all crazy? Because you're a fat cat.
No, I heard that.
She attacked it.
She's really trying to kill this thing. Just no photos, please. When the cat comes out, kill the back scratcher. And the back scratcher just wants to scratch and love on you. And love on you. And rub your belly. Get the belly.
She gets mad whenever you rub it. Do not touch her
That's funny
belly.
because I barely touch her paw and she acts like it's like...
She plays possum.
This is so funny.
flying around. Looking for a place to land and there. Looking for a place to land and there. I'm shaking my leg out like hell. You touch your back with that. I scratched my booty too.
So much info there.
Scratch the booty. Oh, yeah.
Oh, he caught that one. It's like you ain't gonna land today.
And tap that stomach. Tap the head. Tap the tail. And it gotcha.
Tapping button. Stop. Stop tapping me.
How's he trying to eat it?
Trying to eat the rat scratch toy.
Oh.
It's for breakfast. Yes, it's for breakfast.
All right, I'm going to calm you down. Ready? Ready? Scratch the belly.
She really don't like her belly touch, does she? Because she goes for the kill when you just barely tap her stomach. Ooh, she in trouble.
She's gonna get mad right now. Like, I don't care if you're mad or not. You're touching my stomach. I don't want to play no more, man. I'm getting yelled at. My no-nos. I just want to go to bed, man. I'm done with this night. Got in trouble. My baby. My boo-boo. All right, bed.
What do you think, kitty?
Well, that was fun.